To download the GoHenry parent account, you will need to follow these steps. First, go to the App Store on your device. This can be the Apple App Store for iPhone users or the Google Play Store for Android users. Search for GoHenry in the search bar and select the GoHenry app from the search results. Once you have found the app, click the Install or Download button to begin the download process. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a few seconds or a few minutes. Once the app has downloaded, click the Open button to launch the app. You will then be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. If you are a new user, click the Sign Up button and follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. You will need to provide some basic information such as your name and email address. If you already have a GoHenry account, simply enter your email address and password to log in. Once you have logged in, you will be taken to the parent dashboard where you can view your child's account activity, set limits, and transfer money. It is also important to note that you will need to verify your identity and link a funding source to your account before you can start using the GoHenry parent account. This is a standard security measure to protect your account and ensure that only authorized users can access it. In addition to the mobile app, you can also access your GoHenry parent account online by visiting the GoHenry website. Simply click the Login button and enter your email address and password to access your account. By following these steps, you can easily download and set up the GoHenry parent account, giving you a convenient and secure way to manage your child's money and teach them important financial skills.